Former general and three-time presidential candidate Purabówo Subianto declared victory in Indonesia's presidential election on Wednesday, calling it a victory for all Indonesians. With more than 90% of the total ballots counted as of Wednesday evening, Subianto secured around 58% of votes, while his rivals Anies Baswedan and Ganjar Pranowo obtained 25% and 16% respectively, various quick and unofficial counts showed. In his speech, the 72-year-old politician and businessman said he would be the president of all Indonesian people, not only for certain parties. The sitting defense minister of Indonesia said he was grateful for the quick count results, which indicated that he could win in a single round. However, he still encouraged all people to wait and respect the official result from the country's National Election Committee, which will be released in mid-March. The elected president will be inaugurated and start the first day in office on October 20, 2024.